The direct message of God. In the entire world, man has made significant progress in all the fields in the materialistic world. He has made his material life comfortable by analyzing the five elements through his sharp intellect. However, is making efforts to fulfill one's endless materialistic desires alone called life? Will this itself be called the progress of the elevated human species? While making efforts to satisfy our desires, did we rise or did we fall? Man proposes and God disposes. In reality, all the ways adopted by human beings to attain happiness and peace themselves are the main cause of their downfall. Especially at the end of the Iron Age, because of many religions and their diversities, people hate each other and resort to murder. But the truth is that irreligiousness is constantly increasing because of not knowing the actual meaning of the true religion. Lust, anger, greed, attachment, and ego themselves are the cause of sorrow. Five vices arise just because of considering ourselves a body. God comes and tells the main mantra to destroy them. Consider yourself a point of light soul. Today, man has forgotten his own religion and is engaged in the religion of others. It is said in the Gita, Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya Pardharmo Bhayavaha, Chapter 3, Shlok 35. It is elevated to stabilize in one's own religion. The religion of others like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, etc., meaning the religions of the body, are highly dangerous. That is, they create differentiation. In the forthcoming world of fighting and beating, where tension is increasing continuously even now, we have to make the practice of stabilizing in the religion of the soul firm. This will help us attain eternal peace, it will create firm faith, willpower, and we will gather courage to face good or bad circumstances and problems. According to the fact history repeats itself, the time of the massive war of Mahabharata of 5,000 years ago has arrived again. On one hand, the civil wars are raging amongst the eastern nations, and the western countries have produced destructive things like atom bombs through the power of their intellect. On the other hand, the incorporeal god Shiv has already arrived according to his promise, in order to destroy irreligiousness and establish the true religion. Dharm Sansthapanarthai, Gita chapter 4, Shlok 7. God Shiv has come in a secret form to establish the golden age. O human being, wake up at least now. According to the Gita, Manushim Tanumashritam, it means God Shiv enters by taking the support of a human body. So, after entering a human body, he is performing his task secretly. It means God is present in one, he isn't omnipresent. We are entitled to peace and happiness only after knowing and understanding the Ekvyapi form of God, and then, by following the path shown by him. Now, the demonic world of Dojak, hell, or the hellish Iron Age is ending, and Jannat, paradise, or the golden age world is arriving. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, that is the entire world is one family, is going to be established. It is also famous, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashantu, Ma Kashchit Dukh Bhagbhavet. May all be happy. May all be free from illness. Everyone should be benefited, and everyone's sorrow should be removed. This is what God wishes. This is possible only when we are liberated from all kinds of slavery. There should neither be the bondage of the mind, nor of any person. For this itself, God has come and is giving the true knowledge of the Gita. More than 108 commentaries have been made of the worldly Gita. It is being studied so much. Still, the Hindu religion couldn't be uplifted. The followers of the Hindu religion themselves are converting to other religions the most. Because of not understanding the true meanings of that knowledge of the Gita, it is just connected to the Hindu religion. But all the religious followers have accepted the superiority of the knowledge of the Gita. It isn't connected to any one particular religion, rather, it is connected to every common man. God has come and is giving the correct explanation of that knowledge of the Gita. Actually, the teachings of easy Rajyog are given in this very knowledge of the Gita. This is why it is mentioned in the Gita. Rajvidya Rajguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam. Chapter 9, Shlok 2. Meaning this is the royal knowledge of kings, it is the secret of best kingship and it is the best knowledge. It means the human souls can become like Narayan from a man only after recognizing the incorporeal form of the Supreme Father, Supreme Soul Shiv in the corporeal one and having yoga with God. This Rajyog makes us into a king. Kingship can be obtained only through the power of yoga, that is the remembrance of God. Hitler, Mussolini and Napoleon wished to establish their kingship in the entire world through violence. But it isn't the law that someone can win the heart of the entire world by becoming violent. This is easy knowledge and easy Rajyog, with the help of which one can win the heart of the entire world and attain the emperorship of the world. This is the only way to make the restless mind peaceful, and God Himself explains it after coming in one being. Om Shanti.